In this video, I will be showing you how to save Chatgpt conversations as a PDF. Let's get started. First, I open up a browser window on my computer. I look up at the top address bar, click into it, and type in chatgpt.com to navigate directly to the website. Once the main dashboard loads up, I can see the search field right in the middle of the page. I decide to open up my sidebar by clicking the sidebar toggle icon in the top left corner. This opens up my list of recent chats. I look through the list and click on the conversation labeled Brew Bliss Beat. The chat loads on the right side, showing an entire marketing song layout generated by Chatgpt. I scroll down the conversation to review the content. Now, I press Ctrl+P on my keyboard to open the print dialog window. On the right panel, under Destination, I verify that Save as PDF is selected. I can see the preview of the chat document loading on the left side of the window, confirming how it will look. Now, I click on the Destination drop-down menu just to ensure all settings are correct, and select Save as PDF once again. After verifying the page layout and pages are set to all, I click the blue Save button at the bottom right. This triggers the File Explorer window. I keep the default file name Brew Bliss Beat and click Save. Now that the file is saved, I minimize my browser and right-click on the File Explorer icon on my taskbar. I click on File Explorer from the menu to open my local files. I look at the left sidebar menu and click on the Downloads folder. Right there at the top under Today's Downloads, I see my newly saved PDF file. I double-click on it to open it up. A new browser tab opens up, displaying the full Chatgpt conversation cleanly formatted across 2 pages. I scroll through the entire PDF document to make sure all of the lyrics, requirements, and text from the original Chatgpt conversation are fully captured. Everything looks perfect and easy to read. That is how you easily save your Chatgpt conversations as a PDF document. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.